For today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this deck right here, or at least one similar to it. The whole process is really easy, and that's why I want to teach you guys how to do it. It's 100% vinyl, except for the paint that's underneath. That's spray paint, obviously. But it's all vinyl, and I think that's pretty cool. It may or may not last that long whenever you go and skate it. I'm not exactly sure. This is more of a display deck than anything. You can still skate it. It's a really good quality board. Hard rock Canadian maple with 7 layers. So the quality is good, but this was more for fun. It was actually commissioned for somebody. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own deck at home using vinyl wrap, so stay tuned. Well, before I get started showing you the whole vinyl wrap process, I do want to go ahead and show you this deck. This deck was in another video where I tried to do a city skylight design. Did not work at all. I was very upset with it, and it was terrible, so I ended up doing my galaxy design. The other deck that I used was this one. So I ended up sanding all of it down and went a little bit too deep, so I had to go back in with some filler primer and fill in everything that I went too crazy with. So that's why it looks like this now. It's now nice and smooth, ready to go, and we're gonna do a base coat of copper and silver, and hopefully it turns out right whenever we do the vinyl. I think overall this is the exact look that I'm going for. As you can see down here, there's little divots everywhere. That's where I sanded a little bit too deep, so it's not 100% perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was, and that does give it a little of a copper penny style effect, I guess. Not really what I'm going for, but hey, it looks cool and it works, so we're going with it. Over here in silver, same thing. You have a little bit of deep imperfections, but overall, it's not too bad. Now I just gotta wait for this to dry, and then we'll lay our vinyl over top of this. And the reason I'm doing that is because our vinyl is somewhat transparent, and I want to be able to see these colors underneath.
A few moments later.
It's looking like it's completely dry to the touch, so we can go ahead and lay the vinyl on top of this. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can still see that silver and that copper look. But this is exactly what I was going for. It looks really good, and it's very simple to make your own deck at home with just vinyl wrap. So to kind of give you an idea, this has got a little hexagon rainbow color in it, and it is transparent because this is headlight vinyl wrap, and it turned out way better than I expected it would. You do have a couple of like the imperfections here and throughout here, but again, that is because it's showing the imperfections in the wood from it being sanded way too deep. But overall, this turned out really good. Now all that's left is to do a design and a logo, which I am almost ready to do that. I just have to go and make it on my computer. here we go. This is the finished look. I'm really hyped on it. You might have seen during that little clip that the white was off, so I actually had to like peel it and then place it on the black and then lay it down. Well, there is a way to avoid that, and I completely didn't think about that until after I finished it. I could have put the black vinyl on top of the white vinyl and then peeled that and put that on top of the orange card, or I could have done the black on the white and then both of those on top of the orange and had done it pretty much all at one time. I didn't do that because I'm dumb. I did do that with this because I thought of it afterwards, I guess. I don't know. But this is reflective, and there's a whole theme behind this car, which I'll go ahead and pop up a picture with, and I feel like I captured that pretty well. It's not 100% the exact same, but I think I did a pretty good job, so I think the customer's going to be happy with it, and this is a really, really, really cool process that you 100% should try at home. It's really cheap. I'd give it maybe 10 bucks for this, and then this is probably like $5 and like $3 or so. I don't know. So overall, just the graphic itself is probably around $20 to $25, and you can get just a generic deck like Blank Deck for $22 at blankdeck.com. So check them out too. But yeah, really fun process, and again, highly, highly recommend it. I know this video was probably pretty short, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed it at the same time. This deck was really fun to make, so go home and try this yourself, and let me know if you do, or send me pictures if you do. I'd love to see what you guys make out there. If you can't make this, if you don't know how, or this didn't help teach you, feel free and reach out via Instagram or email me, and I can make you one. Or check out shopkeeganco.com. I have a few decks on my website right now that you can get for a very, very affordable price, plus save 20% off by using giveaway 20 in checkout. So make sure you check that out if you want a good deck for a good discount. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be doing a discount, but it does help out the channel and it helps out with the giveaways, which, speaking of which, we do have this grip back here prepped and kind of ready to go for the giveaway grip art video that's coming up here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see next, and then subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I will see y'all on the next one, so stay awesome guys. Later.